So let's see in this short how-to lesson, see how to indicate how to do things. And I wanted to take the example of like a recipe because I think it could be interesting. The idea would be to show you that we use a lot in that case when we want to give some advices, indications, how to do things. Okay, so let's see how it could go. First, we take a mold. En premier, on prend un moule. So as you can see, on is used here. It's like impersonal, and then it's conjugated like il and elle, so of the singular. So it's the third person of the singular. On prend. Okay. En premier, on prend un moule. En premier, on prend un moule. Then we break 6 eggs. Ensuite, on casse 6 œufs. Ensuite, on casse 6 œufs. Ensuite, on casse 6 œufs. Same thing here. I mean, you can see that we're using the verb casser, but then we're using this on form, so third person of the singular, on casse. We put flour and mix. On met de la farine et on mélange. On met de la farine et on mélange. On met de la farine et on mélange. Milk and sugar are added. On ajoute du lait et aussi du sucre. So as you can see, I mean, and that was the point. I mean, it could be translated like that. So by using this on, it's really this impersonal thing. And then, well, in English, I mean, it can be used like in the passive form here. On ajoute du lait et aussi du sucre. On ajoute du lait et aussi du sucre. We continue mixing. On mélange encore. On mélange encore. On mélange encore. We let it rest. On laisse reposer. On laisse reposer. On laisse reposer. Voilà, that's it. It was just to give you some illustration on, well, the use of on, because I've been making a video covering the how to structure it, how to conjugate it, and a few examples, how to use it. But I wanted to make it sure that now it's more clear. So here it is. Merci beaucoup.